Then you've got lane one with a 3 time trial, and it looks like they're doing their race start. Custom is who just did it, one of the years, it looks like they're still having mistakes from my point of view. So it was not known yet, but that looks like they're going to start.
Okay. Laman video ba? Laman, upload.
Sharon Mac Poseidon A, and the last team was. I'm gonna check that out. Where it is. Thank you. So we've got Sharon Mac Poseidon A, BFP Fire Graduate. Please be on standby already in active control. So when these guys load into the boat, you see them now take their seats. So first call, Sharon Mac to Poseidon A, BFP Fire Graduate A. Please proceed to the active control area and standby. Okay. Look at that! Pirate! Good job! Two, heat number 20. BFP Fire Graduates, Ad and Larry. Pirate! Stay out of the sun. This year will be under the sun of the whole day. I did not bring my comfort zone. I am gonna go search and go back to my room. Good morning, sir. I am reaching So, why are you there? Why aren't you here? And everybody watching from Manila and all over the world, to tap in with the Dragon Boat paddling community in Cebu and try out